G'day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. G'day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The reason why I decided to create this YouTube channel was to share with you the problems that I have faced. Hopefully there are people out there who have faced the same issue and don't have a resource online to find the answer, and hopefully I can be that answer. So that's the main reason, and it's all because over the last 10 years I have, I guess, taken a lot of what I've learned from videos online from people like Linus at Linus Tech Tips. So I guess it's just my turn to finally give back and overcome my fear of being filmed and putting myself out there online. So I'm from a small town in Tasmania called Launceston. If anyone knows of Launceston in Tasmania, they'll know it's quite a cold place. There's not much going on. The population's about 70,000 people. I left school when I was 16. I went to a school called Brooks High School, and I pursued a career in Sydney and New South Wales in Australia when I left school, and I have been here ever since. So I currently work as a IT manager, and I have, prior to that, been working behind the Genius Bar as a genius for Apple for over 5.5 years. And then going back even before that, I was working in different IT retail stores, building custom computers, doing simple customer service and retail experience. I also worked at MSY Computers, so if anyone in Australia is watching this and they know of MSY Computers, I would definitely tell them to go check out that shop. That's where I learnt the most from. They're really cheap as well, so if you need some cheap computer parts, I would tell them to go to MSY. So my biggest influence is definitely Linus from Linus Tech Tips. Some of my other influences have been NKBHD, Jay's 2 Cents, and Bitwit, but definitely the whole tech YouTube community as a whole is probably my biggest influence. So if you want to support me, you can do that by leaving me a thumbs up on any of my videos. You can like me on Facebook, you can follow me on Instagram, you can ask me questions and leave me comments down below, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also buy stuff through the Amazon links for any of the tech that I feature. You can also buy these pillows, which I feature in my videos all the time. They're my girlfriend's photography on Society 6. So if you search Alexandra K. Duggan, you can see her photography, you can buy it and put it onto a pillow, and then we get a small kickback. So I'll leave a link to that down below as well. So they're the ways that you can help. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you learned something about myself. Hopefully you found this video informative and you understand now what I do and the reason why I do it. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.